Bybit versus Bitfinex versus Binance futures, which is better? Voiceover script. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a detailed comparison of Bybit, Bitfinex, and Binance futures. We'll look at their fees, funding rates, liquidity, and real-world trading costs. So by the end, you'll know which exchange is best for your style of trading. Snaj number 1, trading fees. Let's start with the most important part, maker and taker fees. Bybit futures. Bybit charges a 0.01% maker fee and a 0.06% taker fee. That means if you're a maker placing limit orders, Bybit is quite cheap. But if you're a taker using market orders, it's on the expensive side compared to other exchanges. Binance futures. Binance charges a 0.02% maker fee and a 0.04% taker fee by default. If you pay fees using BNB, you get a discount, making Binance slightly cheaper. Plus, high-volume traders get VIP rates that can reduce fees to almost nothing. Bitfinex derivatives. Bitfinex charges a 0.02% maker fee and a 0.065% taker fee on futures. Makers pay the same as Binance, but takers pay more, which makes Bitfinex the most expensive for takers among the three. Quick summary. Cheapest for makers equals Bybit, 0.01%. Cheapest for takers equals Binance, 0.4% or less with BNB. Bitfinex is generally the most expensive for takers. Funding rates. Next, let's talk about funding rates, which can affect your profits when holding positions. On Bybit, funding rates are updated every 8 hours. They are usually in line with the market average, but Bybit sometimes has slightly higher funding costs on less liquid altcoins. On Binance futures, funding rates are also updated every 8 hours, and Binance tends to have the deepest liquidity. This keeps rates more stable, especially for big pairs like BTC and ETH. On Bitfinex, funding works a bit differently. Bitfinex uses a peer-to-peer funding market called Bitfinex funding, where traders lend and borrow directly. This can sometimes give you better or worse rates depending on market demand. It's less predictable than Binance or Bybit. So if you want stable funding costs, Binance or Bybit is safer. Bitfinex is more flexible but can be riskier. Hash 3. Liquidity and slippage fees are one thing, but slippage can cost you even more, especially on large orders. Binance Futures has the highest liquidity in the world, meaning orders fill closer to the market price. For big traders, this often saves more money than the fee discount itself. Bybit has excellent liquidity as well, especially on major pairs like BTC, USDT, and ETH/USDT, but it's still smaller than Binance. For altcoins, liquidity can drop faster. Bitfinex is known for very deep liquidity in spot trading, especially for Bitcoin. But for derivatives, its futures liquidity is smaller compared to Binance and Bybit. This means higher slippage if you trade large contracts. For large volume futures trading, Binance is the best choice. For smaller positions, Bybit works well. Bitfinex is better for spot, not for derivatives. Binance 4. Other costs and features. Binance offers extra discounts for using BNB and VIP traders. It also has more futures pairs than any other exchange. Bybit is popular with professional futures traders because of its simple interface and low maker fee. Bitfinex is trusted by institutional traders, but its derivatives fees are higher and liquidity is lower compared to the other two. Final verdict. So, after comparing Bybit versus Bitfinex versus Binance futures, if you are a maker using limit orders, Bybit is the cheapest. If you are a taker using market orders, Binance is the cheapest, especially with BNB discounts. If you want deep liquidity and the lowest slippage, Binance is the safest choice. If you like peer-to-peer funding and already use Bitfinex for spot, you might consider Bitfinex, but for most traders, it's more expensive. My recommendation: casual traders, Binance futures. Pro makers, Bybit. Institutions or niche users, Bitfinex. That's the complete breakdown of Bybit versus Bitfinex versus Binance futures. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which platform you prefer for futures trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll